Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start where it matters: power and a network. Plug the Google Home camera into power and wait for the LED. Once the LED pulses, open the Google Home app on the phone already connected to your Wi-Fi. Tap the plus icon, choose Set up Device, and select New Device. Follow on-screen prompts to grant camera and location permissions. Make sure the phone stays on the same network during setup. This avoids discovery errors and speeds pairing, so you can continue without interruptions. Once the camera is added, position it before finalizing settings. Mount at eye level and avoid backlighting for clearer images. Test the live view so you see the coverage. Next, open device settings in Google Home to set motion sensitivity, define activity zones, and toggle person alerts. These reduce false triggers. Make sure firmware updates install. They improve stability and security. Also confirm microphone and camera permissions so two-way talk and recordings work correctly. Now finalize. Check the live view and scroll the event timeline to confirm history is saved. If you need continuous recording, confirm subscription settings and 24/7 options. Create routines or automations so the camera works with lights or alarms, and share access with family from device settings to avoid account conflicts. Finally, if something goes wrong, try a targeted fix. Restart the camera and your router, wait 60 seconds, then recheck the app. If issues persist, remove and re-add the device to resolve pairing or network glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.